Hello and welcome to my Minecraft Create Aeronautics mod excavator digger miner demonstration. This is it. This is the miner. It's a little scuffed and we're not prepared for water. This is going to be bad. Oh crap. So this is the miner. I'll show you the inside. So connected to the borehead bearing is this funnel, which goes onto a belt, which then your items will get distributed into these vaults. You can put filters on them if you want, but pretty much the whole bottom of the vehicle is made out of vaults. Some of them are cosmetic, but most of them work. And actually, it looks like they got messed up because these are supposed to be pretty much all 3x3s, but yeah, they got messed up when assembling or something, so maybe I'll remove the cosmetic vaults. Anyway, you got your controls here if you don't want to use a linked controller. Then you have a toggle for the borehead and a speed controller for it as well. It runs on this many portable engines. Well, only 7 are running. This one's not running. So 7. And then the underside here, this is pretty important, you know, because I originally wanted to make this with wheels. But actually the wheels were really bad because you couldn't stay level. You just bounce around and then get stuck in a hole. I tried way too long to get that to work. The belts are a lot better because you mostly stay flat. They are a little bit harder to control though with the steering, because you can't just put a shaft and then add a gearbox on this level because it'd be dragging on the ground. So you have to use belts connected from up one block in order to drive them. So the way my system works is when I press W, it moves this directional gear shift one way, and that moves both belts the same direction, but they have different, they're getting the input from different shafts. This is important because if you want to turn, let's say, to the right, okay, it's not working because this is the wrong controller, maybe. Yeah, so if you want to turn to the right, you press W and right, and it goes to this gear shift, which spins the right one the other way. If I want to go to the left, it spins the left one the other way. If you had this both just connected on one shaft, it would just break. They need to be separate. So yeah, the system is just the directional gear shift, I think it's called, with 2 links, and then into a gearbox, into a gear shift with 2 links, and that's the whole system pretty much. Yeah, that's about it. I wouldn't recommend making this because it's kind of buggy. Like when I was just using it, it kept stopping because it said there was no storage even though the barrel was empty. And also, you might hit water, and also it really easily gets stuck. And also, you have to make the borehead bearings like way bigger than you want, so then it digs under, and then if it doesn't dig under, then you get stuck on the side. And these borehead bearings kind of suck because of that. So I wouldn't recommend making this vehicle. That's all. Thank you for watching my tutorial.